If you want to be a profitable trader, you need to act like a professional trader. And professional traders are patient, and they don't risk more than a small percentage of their overall capital. Losing traders that risk too much are exactly as a teenager who doesn't know how to drink. He goes to a party and takes some alcohol. He wants to make sure that he's having the best ever fun, and he drinks so much that he gets to the point when he ruins it all. As a rule of thumb, it's better not to risk more than 2 to 4% of your equity at any given moment. This is especially true if you are inexperienced. Later on, you will be able to learn and apply some advanced money management techniques, and in some high probability scenarios, risk even more. But even many professional traders keep being conservative and don't exceed this percentage rule. So if, for example, your account balance is $1,000, do not risk more than $20 to $40. I know it's hard for some people who hope to get rich fast, but remember the 3 stages that we mentioned in the previous video. Your goal is to play for the long run, and in order to do so, you first of all need to keep being part of the game. Let's see an example of applying the percentage rule in a trade. The given data is that we have $1,000 in our account, and we decided never to risk more than 2% of it. If we want to buy some Ethereum, which is traded against the Bitcoin, we would have to make a little calculation in order to see which amount we can buy while not exceeding the percentage rule. Say that the current price of Ethereum is 0.083 Bitcoin and the Bitcoin price is $10,000. We know that one ETH would cost us $830, which is 83% of our account balance. So obviously, we can't afford purchasing 1 unit of the coin. What we can do is to buy a fraction of it. 2% of our capital is $20. So we need to find a fraction which is equal to lower amount than that. After making some calculations, we find that we can buy 0.02 ETH, which are $16.6 value worth. This is less than the maximal amount we can risk, so we can go ahead and buy. The only thing is that we need to make sure that we close the trade in case it goes against us at the point when it reaches a $20 loss. Risking too much might lead you to destroy your account, and that would happen eventually following a string of several losing trades. While new people come every day, lose their money and continue with their life, the real traders are still in the game, taking their portion every day, generating steady income that grows with time. And this is exactly what you should do as well.